Bird and Kip, Episode 61, Reading a Book. Bird was reading a book. The book was about a penguin. The penguin found a bottle on the beach. The bottle had a note inside.
Wow!
Thought Bird.
I wonder what the note says.
Bird read some more. The penguin in the book read the note. It said, "I'm trapped on an island. Please send help,"
This book is so good.
said Bird. Later, Bird was at the pond. She saw a bottle near the water.
I have an idea.
Thought Bird.
I will put a note in this bottle. Maybe someone will find it.
Bird got a pencil and paper. She wrote a note. She put it into the bottle. Then she left the bottle in the pond. The next morning, Kip saw the bottle.
That's strange.
He said.
There's something in that bottle.